part 2. Oh man, I only have this stupid fidget. It's cute, but it's just a small thing. Wait, what is that? Join fidget trading. I can accept. But I cannot join. Huh? Need 6 fidgets. Oh man, I need more fidget, but I only have 1. How about let's trade someone? How can I trade to someone? But I want to join here because this is the real fidget trading, and here is the fake fidget trading. I need to join right now. Let's find someone. Now I'm here, but no one is around. No one is around. Means here is the fidget board. Trading my squishy cat. Going once, going twice. Me. For that, I gotta trade you my... what I gotta trade? This. It's just a handmade needle. Yeah, it's small. I love this. Except it's just a good, but it's good. That's first. You can please add. This is a real squishy, and this is a real squishy. And this is just a fake squishy. It's just made out of printing. Okay, I gonna add you my slow rice squishy. This is a real squishy. That is my final offer because I only have the Skittles. It's the jumbo Skittles. Gonna take it. It's slow rice. It's just new. It's just shiny. Accept. I guess. Accept. Yay, taking all of my fidgets. Now I have my fidget. Okay, I gotta take the cat. I gotta leave. Bye-bye. Gotta leave. Oh man, she just leave. We're gonna fidget trade. Now I have 2 fidget actors. But it's not. But we need 6 fidgets. Oh wait, that girl is super rich. And she have even the ultra squishy. And I have that, but that is a paper. But that is real. Hey, we got fidget trade. I guess what you gonna offer? I gonna offer my needle. It's just a handmade, but this is good to squish. You can please add for this. I gonna trade you my not this my pillow. I'm gonna trade you my pillow. So soft, I promise. And you can please add because this is just a small thing. You can please add. Okay, I'm gonna add my crunchy handmade cake and my Hershey chocolate Hershey paper squishy. Just accept. That is my final offer because my squish gonna run out. Yeah, I only have this one fidget. It's just real. I just give you the handmade paper. Okay. Accept. Wait, take it with my needle. Here, take it. Now I have my squishy. Now I have 4. I only need 2 of them. I think I gonna trade this. I don't really want this. Trading my crunchy handmade beads. Going once, going twice. Me. I gonna trade you my I gotta trade you this for this because this I only have two fidgets left in this cookie jar and this cookie. I only have this the best. Just accept. I just really want this. Just gonna give you. This is ultra rare. This is ultra rare. You see from the rich, but I buy it from from Tik from TikTok shop and is $1,000 for each. This is a ultra rare. Just accept. I guess accept. Taking my zero rising species. Now I have my fidget. I just gotta leave. Man, she just leave again. Nah. But I still have fidgets. I gotta trade my philo. How about let's come someone? Let's come someone. Trading my ultra rare pillow. Going once, going twice. Me. Oh, ultra rare pillow. That is a Dubaral squishy. But I only have this. I gotta trade you my Milo and my Jumbo Skittles. That is my final offer. Accept. Okay. Accept. Yay! Take your pillow. Yay! Now I have fidgets. Look at how many fidgets I only need one more fidget. Why she just throw it away? Huh? This is not the ultra rare pillow. You scam me. I just gotta leave the server. Gotta buy more squishy. She just leave. But that is a ban. You gonna get banned if you do it one more time. I gotta trade this. What I gotta trade? I think I gotta trade this. Trading my cat. This is the ultra rare. The new is for $1,000. Going once, going twice. Me. I gonna trade you my check and the cookie jar. Accept. That is two. This is the ultra rare. I want it. But this fidget is just ugly. You cannot trade it to someone. Yeah, that's true. Yay! Now I'm getting my squish. I just gotta leave the server. I gotta buy more. She just leave again. Huh? Now I have 6 fidget. Is this 6 fidget? Yay! Now I have 6 fidget. I got join the real life fidget trading. Here is it. Accept. Wow! They are here. There are so many. I gotta trade with this. Oh, she just have that ultra rare. This is ultra rare. It's just basic one for now. Now I have 6 fidgets. I gotta trade this. I don't want this. Watch it. Bye. If you want part 3, subscribe and like. Bye.